Hi everybody, I'm John Marvin Antonio here. Welcome to Animal Classification. Today, let's take a look at these 5 animal kingdoms more closely. What is classification? Animals can be divided into groups based on their similarities and differences. There are lots of different ways to classify animals and lots of different groups. Vertebrates. Vertebrates are animals which have backbone inside their body. Vertebrates account for under 10% of animals on Earth. Invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals which do not have a backbone inside their body. Invertebrates account for over 90% of animals on Earth. Categorizing vertebrates. Vertebrates belong to one of following groups: mammals, reptiles, amphibians, birds, and fish. First are mammals. Mammals, vertebrates known for producing milk to feed their young. They are typically have mammary glands. Some mammals are bat, dolphin, elephant, monkey, and lion. Next, let's take a look at reptiles. Reptiles generally have scaly skin and lay eggs on land. They are called vertebrates. Some reptiles are turtle, snake, crocodile, lizard, and chameleon. Next, let's take a look at amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded vertebrates which have moist skin and no scales. They can live on land and water. Their eggs are fertilized externally. Some amphibians are salamander, bullfrog, frog, and tree frog. Next, let's take a look at birds. Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates which are covered by feathers. They also have beaks which support eating and feeding their young. Some birds are eagle, blue jay, owl, hummingbirds, and ducks. Let's take a look at fish. They are aquatic vertebrates characterized by the presence of gills and fins. Some fish are tuna, clownfish, ray, shark, and catfish. And that's all. Thank you for listening. See ya!